my friends, welcome to Auntie No's Kitchen, and for those of my friends that are returning back, you know you're welcome back, where everything that comes out of this kitchen is full of love and from my heart and soul. So today we are going to be making that famous, if you're from the South, I know you've heard of whatever that restaurant that's famous, I can't think of the name, that's famous for that carrot souffle. Well, I make carrot souffle, so I'm going to share with you my recipe for carrot souffle, so you too can make this at home. And so we're going to get started. I'm going to show you first. We're going to get the carrots boiled. So give me a moment, and I'll show you, and we'll get started on that carrot souffle. Now I have my carrots boiling. Well, I just put them on actually, and the way I did them, I cut them lengthwise and I split them so they'll boil more evenly, cook evenly. And this is a 5-pound bag of carrots that I peeled, and so easier to use the peel, because if you use anything else, you're gonna waste carrot. You know, with the peeler, the only thing you're peeling off is actually the peel with the peeler, and that's why I cut them and split them so they'll boil more even. I'm not putting anything in here. It's just strictly carrot, because they need to be really soft, very soft, so when they're done you're able to mash them. And we'll go over all the ingredients that you need once the carrots are done. It takes about an hour to an hour and a half for these to boil. So once these are done to very soft consistency and texture, we'll get started on making a carrot souffle. So, you know, go chill out, read a book, play PS4, Xbox, go do what you need to do. Because Auntie will be back in a jiffy. Well, to you it's a jiffy, to me it's an hour and a half. So I'll see you guys later, and give me a moment. We're going to get these carrots cooked, okay? All right, guys. We're back, and what I'm doing now, the carrots are done. I'm mashing them up. Use a masher. I don't suggest you add your ingredients and then mash it all together. I wouldn't do that. I never do that. I mash your carrots up first. Some people throw the ingredients in and then mash it all together. Don't do that, in my opinion. I've been making this for a while and I've never done that, because I want to make sure my carrots get mashed completely. Hold on one second. Sorry, I have to have complete silence. Big concentrate. Okay. Making sure these carrots are good and mashed. And preheat your oven. I'll go ahead and start and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. What I'm doing now is looking for any a carrot piece that's not mashed. I want to make sure it gets mashed. Just like you would if you was making a sweet potato souffle. You look for well, can't say that, because the way I do my sweet potatoes is they have no choice but to be completely mashed. Okay. Okay, I need to go get that my stand mixer, my hand mixer rather. Trying to beat these a little more. Okay, now this was 5 pounds of carrots, cut and boiled. Took 1.5 hours for them to boil. Now this is what we are going to need. One stick of melted butter. Oh. 5 eggs beaten, but these need to be added last. Two cups of white sugar. One-half cup of light brown sugar. Two tablespoons of cinnamon. 2 tablespoons of real pure vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 4.5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. A spatula to make sure that all this is off the side of the bowl. You see those 5 pounds of carrots? They don't look like they produce much, do they? To this, I'm going to go ahead and add my vanilla extract. Go ahead and you can go ahead and add all of your ingredients. All your ingredients except your eggs. And the reason why you don't add your eggs to last, because you have to taste it to make sure it's to your liking. I try to fold in a little bit. Cut down on anything that may, fly. That's quick. My eggs beaten. Gotta beat my eggs really well. And into this they go. Okay, my mixture is done. I'm going to get a pan and get this poured in. So, hold on a moment, my friends. Using these aluminum pans, you know, guys, you know I buy these by the truckload from Sam's. Now, yep. Not bringing out any Pyrex and Cornyware. These are packed up. Okay, I'm gonna pop this in the oven for about an hour to 15 minutes. Well, my oven is at 400, so I will say give it about an hour, and then I'll be back and we'll be sprinkling a little powdered sugar on it, and we will cut into it so you all can see the finished product. So give me a moment and we shall return. Well, it'll be a quick zip for you all, but it'll be an hour for me. Yes, this is not a quick side dish. This side dish, just like the sweet potato souffle, takes a little time. But if you ain't got nothing but time on your hands and you want to make it special for your family, friends, or gathering, gotta have to have some patience. So, hold on, my friends. And thanks for stopping in my kitchen. I really appreciate you all hanging around. All right, my friends, the carrot souffle is done. Gonna finish touches on it. Get some powdered sugar on it. Looks like a snowfall. Just remind me of a snowfall. Actually, this is fun. Let me stop having fun. Okay. I'm gonna get a spoon so we can dig into it. What you think? What you think? Let me get a small. I don't want that big old plate. So we're gonna dig into this. Oh, it smells wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Just a little piece. Very delicious. Like I said, it seems like a lot of sugar, but it's not overly sweet. And I wouldn't be consuming a lot of this anyway. But it's not overly sweet. So it's really delicious. And it really is delicious, guys. So thank you for joining in to my kitchen and watching this recipe. Hold on one second. You know, I gotta send my goodbye hugs and kisses face to face. So again, gotta send all my hugs and kisses to you guys face to face. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you guys make this for your family and friends. It's really good, but it is a little time consuming, so you have to have some patience if you're going to make this. But thank you for tuning in and watching my video, my recipe video making carrot souffle. It's really good. It's a really good dish. So hit that like and subscribe button if you wish. Hit the notification bell if you wish, so every time I do a recipe, and you'll be notified. So hugs and kisses to all of you. I love you guys. Thank you for all your support. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. So until my next recipe, talk to you guys later. Be you and be great being you. Love you guys. Bye.